how to just absorb the audience attention and just have them hooked on your subtitles. And just so I can just show y'all a little bit more, so I know y'all are maybe just not gullible. Do y'all want to learn how to just absorb the audience attention and just have them hooked on your subtitles? Well, in this video, I'll teach you guys on the tips and tricks on how to include subtitles on your very own YouTube videos. So my name is Double A. Without further ado, I do a lot of how-to videos on my channel. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to show y'all this on my computer. First things first, what I want to go ahead and do is I want to go on YouTube Studio. I am assuming that you guys already have a video up and loading and up and running. But if you guys don't, now would be the time to actually pause this video and make sure you guys have a video not even posted but just up on YouTube. Like, just make sure it's fully uploaded. So I actually already have a little short here for you guys to see. You want to click the video or short that you guys do want to click for adding the subtitles, and then you want to go to subtitles. When you have a video that doesn't already have those subtitles already on them, your video would just look just like this. And then from here, basically what you will want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead is on these English automatic captions. These are the captions that are automatically generated for you. You want to go ahead and click duplicate and edit, and then from here you want to click publish. Once you do click publish, you'll see English pop up for the third time, and once you guys see it pop up for the third time, you guys know you are good and in the green. So once you are here, you'll see this is published, and then from here you basically just want to add the same title and description that you had previously for the video. And I'm just gonna add a bunch of gibberish, y'all, but y'all understand what I'm trying to put out. Just basically just input that same title and description, copy and paste real quick, click publish, and basically once this is all said and done and published, your subtitles should be on your videos. And I'm gonna show y'all how your videos look like so y'all know if your videos actually do have the subtitles on them. So as y'all can see, once we go to my channel, it's at Aaron_Miyako. If your videos do have the subtitles on them, you'll see this little CC and this little box type thing, and this is how you know that the subtitles are on your videos. And just so I can just show y'all a little bit more, once we get on the video, y'all can see the subtitles are popping up as you guys would want. So I hope this information was helpful for y'all. I hope this helped a lot of people. And as I was saying, my name is Double A. I do a lot of how-to videos on my channel, so make sure y'all tap in with all that. My name for the playlist of my how-to videos is called the Ultimate How-To Hub, so make sure y'all tap in if that's of interest. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Yeah.